Alright, let me see if I can help you through some of these. So LT2, one of the problems or one of the topics is slope-intercept form. So in this problem, they're just asking for the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. So we're given 2 points, -2, 3, and 0, 5. So we're going up 2 over 2, or up 1 over 1. So I think here the equation would be 1x plus 5, and that one seems pretty easy, so let's do another one to see. Here it looks like kind of the same thing. They give you the 2 points, but then they're also giving you the line, and this one again it looks like it's just going up 1 over 1, and the y-intercept is 0. Let's see if they get harder than that. Okay, so here they don't give you the line, so this would be just like what we did, and this is kind of like LT9, where we have x1, y1, x2, y2, so we're going to take 2 minus a -1, and then 7 minus 3, that's a terrible 7. And so 2 minus a -1 is the same as 2 plus 1, so our rise is 3, and our run here is 4. So we have y equals 3/4 x plus b. Well, I'm going to plug in an x and a y. So 2 is going to equal 3/4 of 7 plus b. So 3 times 7 is 21 divided by 4. That's going to be 21/4. So then we'll subtract 21/4 from 2. So 2 would be 8/4. So 8/4 minus 21/4, that would give us -13/4. So our slope should be 3/4 plus a -13/4. All right. So some of these are going to be messy, but remember that Khan likes fractions. Okay, he doesn't like decimals or whatever it is. So that's LT2, the first one. The second one is equations from tables, some ordered pairs. So we're asked to just find the equation from this. So this would be our rise, our change in y, and we're going up 8, it looks like. And here we're going, on our run, we're going up 2. So our slope is 8 over 2, or 4. So I know it's I'm going down 8. Okay. So I'm going down 4. So I know it's either this one or this one. And then I need to figure out what my y-intercept is. Well, if I went back here, I don't know why this is all highlighted. If I went back from 2, I'd go to 0, and then if I went up 8, I'd go to 6. So I'm going to choose this one. Alright, then when it says f of x here, that's just a fancy term for y. So just pretend f of x is y, and we're actually going to learn that in a unit coming up. But it's just asking you to find the missing value. So we have when x is 6, what's y? Well, -2 times 6 would be -12, minus 2 is -14. Should be our answer. So it just kind of looks like those are what that topic's going over. So remember, this is y, okay? Then going on to LT9, solving for the y-intercept. Here we've been doing this all along. We have the slope and we have a point. So let's plug in 7 for y, because remember 7 is our y value, and then we have 5/2 times 5. So that's going to be 7 equals 25 over 2. So we're going to have 7 equals 25 over 2. So if we minus, this would be 14/2. So if I write that as 14/2. Forgive me, I'm not using my board, I'm using my keyboard. So minusing 25 of them on both sides. 14 minus 25, that's going to be 11/2, so -11/2. There we go. Alright, So let's see if that's what they're all like. Then this one is kind of like what we've already done. What's the y-intercept? Well, the y-intercept would be in x is 0. So let's get rid of that. And then the y-intercept is when x is 0. So divide by -9 here. And 63 divided by -9 is going to give us -7. Here you're going to solve again for b by plugging in 10 will be the y and 2 will be the x. And just remember, Con likes fractions. That's probably the biggest thing you're struggling with, is you're getting decimals and it likes fractions. And I can see how you, so if we move on to this one, I can see how you don't like this one. I'm actually going to take this one off, Amanda, so don't worry about this for retaking. Okay, if you want to know what this form is, it's right here, but you won't learn that until advanced algebra. So that was my mistake. I hope that helps, bud. Give me a call if you need any other help.